With the experience gained from accompanying the motor development of thousands of infants, I decided to create the From Zero to Hero playmat, which will accompany your baby's development from day 0 of birth until he becomes a little hero who walks. The From Zero to Hero playmat is an explosive mix of science and design. In fact, its features are studied down to the smallest details to create a functional and stylish product whose purpose is to provide the best benefits for your baby's development. The first fundamental characteristic that our mat must have is safety. The playmat Dr-Silva is made of a specific material, expanded polyethylene, and has a complex 5-layer structure that makes it extremely safe, non-toxic, BPA, lead and phthalate free, odorless, waterproof, hypoallergenic and eco-friendly. The From Zero to Hero mat will be the aerospace base for your baby's motor development, which is why we have created it wide and spacious, 200 centimeters long by 150 wide, perfect for the living room, bedroom or any other room. If you fear that the mat is too large for the space in your home, don't worry. You can easily slide the excess part of the mat under the sofa or fold it up. The thickness of as much as 1.5 centimeters and the high density inner layer make the mat soft and able to perfectly cushion all the bumps and falls a baby will encounter during tummy time, when he rolls and crawls and takes his exciting first steps. Beware though. Just as mats that are too hard, such as puzzle mats, are not the best for the child, so are mats that are too soft, such as fabric mats. In fact, we have studied the perfect density of the mat so that it is soft to the point and at the same time perfectly supports the baby without making him sink, a factor that slows down his motor development. At this point, it is necessary to talk about stability and grip, fundamental ingredients. In fact, your baby needs to feel stable and secure on the mat. He needs to position his arms well without sliding them sideways during tummy time. Needs grip to learn to roll, to crawl and stand up. Needs the right proprioception and stability when he takes his first steps. The materials the mat is made of on the outside make it perfectly non-slip. In addition, its gentle reliefs allow the child to have exceptional sensitivity of his body in movement, providing an optimal grip that facilitates stretching, crawling, and then his first steps. Another key feature that I worked on for months together with my designer is the playmat's graphic pattern. To best devise them, we started from the assumption that an infant's eyesight in the first few months of life is not optimal. In fact, they are nearsighted, seeing only 30 to 40 centimeters away and in black and white, and then a little bit blurred. Gradually they improve, but it takes months. Overly colorful and chaotic graphic motifs, like those on most mats, risk confusing the child and not allowing him to distinguish the toys from the mat itself. Our clear and clean designs are designed specifically to encourage his visual and psychomotor development. Of course, they are also beautiful, playful and elegant. Perfect for both baby's bedroom and your living room or any other room. Another aspect to emphasize is the practicality of the mat. Let me explain further. Choosing a material like expanded polyethylene allowed us to make it extremely light and durable at the same time, to mold it in such a way that you can open, close, store or transport it wherever and whenever you want. In addition, inside our personalized package, you will also receive the Dr-Silva bag that will allow you to carry the mat with you at all times. What can I say? Good journey from zero to hero to everyone, and see you playing on the mat.